Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Today I'm going to discuss the stock in news. The stock is going to give the bonus. I will discuss the news regarding this and will discuss the fundamental of this stock. Along with that, I will discuss the important technical levels, key levels also. So to know the stock name, stock technical levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index level update and stock market update all in one video. So let's start video with the important news update which I want to discuss. First of all, that the HDB Financial Services IPO is opened for the public subscription, and it is going on from 25th to 27. I have already updated all the dates and everything. You can check the video again if you want. I'm giving the link in I button, and the subscription is going on. So I hope you got the video on time and you are aware of this. And this video I am going to discuss the Nestle bonus. So let's start video with the new stock in news. And yes, the HDB Financial Services IPO update, the link, you should definitely go through the video for all the detail, all the information about the IPO. So let's come to the stock. The name of the stock is Nestle, and Nestle India is going to give the bonus to its shareholder. I will discuss the news first of all, then I will go to the fundamental. Nestle is going to give the first ever bonus. First time the Nestle is going to give the bonus share to its shareholder, and even earlier in 2024 January, it has given a split also. If you know, the Nestle price was more than I guess 10,000. I will discuss in chat. I will show you all in this the chart later. But yes, it was. Trading at very high price. Then in 2024 January, it has given split to its shareholder, and then the price came down to the 20 to 2400 2500 around, whatever the price that time. I will show you all in the chart. We'll discuss later. But yes, it has already given the split last year in January, and now it is going to first bonus share. The board of director of the company has decided for the ratio of the bonus is 1 is to 1 on 26th of June 25th, today itself. And the bonus ratio is 1 is to 1, means if you are holding one share of the Nestle, you will get one more share of the uh, Nestle as bonus. If you are holding the one Nestle share on the record date, which I will update later on when I will get the news. I will update on record date. So on record date, you should have Nestle share if you want the bonus, and the the number of share you holding. If you're holding one share, you will get one more bonus share. So is that clear? One holding share means one extra bonus share. That means if you are having the 10 share of Nestle, you will have now 20 share of Nestle, but the correspondingly the price will be reduced the same way. And like I will take the example, if Nestle is trading at 2000, uh, say suppose 2000, it's not a real price, but if Nestle is trading at 2000, it will be, the price will be reduced by the half, means 1 by 2, so then it will be 1000. So if you holding 20 share, then again the investing value, your investment will be the same, but you will have more number of share of Nestle, but the investing value will be same, the price will be reduced. So overall, I hope you got all the mathematics behind this, how you will get the bonus. Record date is not yet confirmed, that I will update definitely in later on in the videos, my videos. Keep watching the video, you'll get the note update of this record date, x date. and overall this happened. Okay, so Nestle, even Nestle was trading even more than 1% higher today. Because of this, it is trading at 2450 30 around. So this was a good news for the Nestle shareholder. And one more important thing, that Nestle India has also informed that the bonus share would be credited or dispatched, whatever you can say, to the shareholders within 2 months, which is अगस्त 25 मीन्स 26 को डिक्लेयर हुआ है. देन विद इन 2 मंथ्स मीन्स जुलाई 25 एंड अगस्त 25. विद इन 2 मंथ you will be you will the shares of bonus share will be credited to the shareholder. And this is the on or before August 2020, August 25 2025 means 25 August tak you will have the shares or bonus shares in your demat account. Quickly I will go to the first of all fundamental about the company, and then I will show you the technical levels. So first you see, this is the fundamental. It is very important to know. This is the FMCG company. Yes, this is a FMCG company, Nestle company. You might be knowing the Maggie. Maggie is the biggest and brand name of the Nestle, or this Nestle company का fundamental you can see here. The market cap is 2,34,271 means 2,34 के around इसका market cap है, which is large cap. So if you see current price is 2,430 around. So price is every single day changing. So I don't know what price the Nestle will trade on the record date. So that time whatever will be the price, exactly 1 by 2 the price will be reduced. So you have to watch the price on that time. This समय तो is this time तो 2,400. So according to current price it will be 1,200 around. And accordingly you will get the number of share increased in your account, demat account. If you see the stock P, yes, 75 अराउंड है, विच इज करस्पॉन्डेंटली इंडस्ट्रियल प्राइस से, इंडस्ट्री पी से ज़्यादा है. तो थोड़ा बहुत ओवर वैल्यूड वी कैन से. यस, इट इज़ लिटिल बिट over value, but yes, as the brand name, it is definitely on very good, available at very good price. And you know that it's again going to reduce, or if the bonus or split company gives, so they reduce the price and increase the liquidity. So people will be more interested in Nestle after the reduced price. If you see dividend, it is good, more than 1%, which I find very good, 1.11%. If you see the ROCE, 95.7% means what else you will expect from a stock, means 95%, even 96, we can say around 96% the ROCE company is generating. And ROE is 83%, means unbelievable. So बहुत ही अच्छा ROC और ROE. I already just mentioned that this stock is large cap and very good FMCG sector stock. And if you see the debt, कंपनी के ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल डेट है, नो डेट 0.28, एपीएस इज 34.4, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इज 23.6, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ लिटिल बिट नेगेटिव है. और प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, मीन्स 56.9, काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. यस, सो प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू इज मोर, लिटिल बिट स्टॉक पी इज ऑल्सो मोर. तो स्टॉक इज डेफिनेटली ओवर वैल्यूड तो है, बट स्टॉक इज वर्थ एज इट्स फंडामेंटल. तो इफ वी सी द फंडामेंटल इज वेरी गुड. कंपनी क्या करती है? कंपनी आई जस्ट मेंशन दैट इट इज एफएमसीजी कंपनी. मैगी इज द मेन brand, main product line of this Nestle India. And yes, this makes milk product also, lot of product you can check. So this was the fundamental. Let's quickly go to the technical now, and we'll discuss in detail what was happening. You can see company has given a split in January 2024, you can see here it has given the split here only. This I have shown the weekly chart, and you can see on January it has given the split this time here, so January somewhere. So that time it was trading, and the split was 1 is to 10%, 1 is to 10 in ratio. That time the split was 1 is to 10 ratio. So automatically the stock price got reduced, and it came to 2700 यहाँ पे था. फिर ये 2700 के मतलब 2000 में ट्रेड करने लगा आफ्टर स्प्लिट. Before that I think this was trading more than 20,000 around this share, because 1 is to 10 का split था. तो ये 20,000 के भी ऊपर ही ट्रेड कर रहा था. दैट वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, वेरी कॉस्टली, एंड आफ्टर द स्प्लिट इट गॉट little bit bearable. And again, if you're getting bonus, it will be more cheaper. So that's why I told that this will increase the liquidity in this stock. And see the chart, see this zone, resistance zone I have drawn, which is very important. And this is only going to stop the Nestle till 2500 is a crucial resistance for the Nestle. And currently it is trading at 20,400. Matlab currently it is actually trading at the resistance level only, we can say. Okay, तो 2450 के आसपास से लेके 2500 के बीच तक ये रेजिस्टेंस फेस करेगा. It will face the resistance, but breaking 2500, and which is very possible as company is giving the bonus. Breaking 2500 will definitely give it upside, will give good move, and it can immediately reach to the 2650. Means 2650 is immediate target after breaking 2500. 2500 is a good resistance. Breaking this, it will take it to 2650, and after that 2700, 80 around, which is all time high. All time high is 2780. 2778 will take the exact figure. So means 2780, 2800 around, it will be the all time high. So overall, you understood the technical levels, technical picture. I wanted to show you all that what all the level can be for the Nestle. And that level, you should be mindful with those levels, so that you can take your the investment decision. I'm only here to give the information to the update about the stock in news, so that you can see these all the key levels. First, 2500, which is the resistance exactly currently the stock is facing. Breaking 2500, the next level is 2650, and breaking 2650 will take it to all time high, which is 2770 or 2780. So all these are very important levels for the Nestle. And if we talk about support, the support will be the 2300 will be a very good support, because below that, if stock is trading, that is not very good sign. So 2300 ke niche it may fall more. So 2300 very crucial support, can be very crucial support. Here you can see here this. So I'm taking the round figure, that's why I'm taking 2300. 2300 ke niche it will fall more, and this will be a very good stop loss also for the stock. And upper ke level pe 2500 is the resistance. All in all, if I have to discuss the important level, Nestle important support is 2300, and important resistance is 2500. Breaking 2500 can take it to 2780 also. So overall, I have discussed the bonus news. I have discussed the fundamental of the Nestle stock and all about the company, and I have discussed the important key level. Decision is all yours. You have to take your decision. like and share the video for the more and more people so that they can be aware about the bonus and about the stock in news, and subscribe the channel also for regular indices update, stock market update, and these kind of stock in news update. Signing off.